In this video I'm going to show you how to delete all comments at once on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram application and then hit at your profile icon. Next, tap on menu icon and there hit at your activity. Next, hit on interactions and there select comments. Now there would be the list of all your comments that you ever made on Instagram. I got just 2 here, and to be able to delete all your comments you have to do the following steps. So first hit on select, and now these circles appear next to your comments and you have to just check mark those comments that you want to delete. Unfortunately, there are no option to select all comments, but you can simply scroll that list and check mark the comments that you want to delete, and after that just hit their add delete button to delete all your comments. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.